Hello guys, welcome back again to yet another Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create double exposure effect in Photoshop. And without further ado, let's begin. We're going to create this final image by combining these two images together to create this final image. So let's start with our image in progress. We combine this image together by clicking and dragging, then you release onto this layer, then go to blending mode and change it to lightening. Then align these images properly. Make sure this part of the tree is aligned to the border of the head. Once you like what you see, then go to image, adjustment, and desaturate this image to blend them together. Now add a layer mask to this image. Then select the layer mask and go and select the gradient tool. Then click and drag to blend the images together. As you know, with the layer mask, the black hides and the white reveals. I think that's okay. Now we are going to apply the same effect to the bottom part of the image. We again click and drag this image to our layer, selecting the move tool, drag and drop, then press Ctrl T, right click on your image, rotate 180 degrees, then you can bring down the image to this bottom part of this the image. Turn the blending mode of the image to lightening again. Make sure you also desaturate this image. Go to image, adjustment, then desaturate, then apply layer mask again to this other layer, and go to gradient tool again, and blending the image. Now select your black and white image and go to Magic Wand tool, select the background, then click the eyedropper tool, select this color, then go to paint bucket and click on the background to blend these two images together with the background. Now press Ctrl D to deselect your image. As you can see, we have created the exposure effect. Let's add some color to our image. Add a new layer. Select the new layer, change the blending mode of this layer to overlay. Then press B on your keyboard to select the brush tool. Or you can as well click it from here. Then change this color. Something like that, then press OK. Now you can add some color to your layer like this. We're adding the colors. You can choose the colors that you want. Guys, thank you for watching. That's how to create a double exposure effect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give us your comment. Thank you. Welcome.